Does x minus 1 the whole square plus 2 times of x plus 1 is equal to 0 have real roots? First thing is we have to write it in standard form. Right? Before talking about if the roots are real or not, we need to get this into a standard form, which includes expanding the first term with the help of a minus b the whole square. So in this case it would be x square plus minus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square, that is 1 itself, plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. For the simplification we have this and this are your like terms, they get cancelled, and we have x square plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now I need to rewrite it so that you guys understand why the value of b is 0. See, first thing is, how is that I am able to write this? 0 is your additive identity. What does it mean? Additive identity is nothing but that value which added to any expression or equation or any number or whatever it is, it will give back the same thing. 0 plus anything is 0. Sorry, that itself. Like 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4x plus 0 is 4x. So x square plus 3 plus 0 is x square plus 3 itself. And can I multiply anything with 0? Yes. And so I have this particular expression. And now let's figure out d value, which is b square minus 4ac. We need to write the formula. And in this case, we're going to substitute a value, which is 1, b value, which is 0, and c value, which is 3. Right? It makes sense why I rewrote this. Okay, and then we have d. I should have changed the color. D is equal to 0 minus 4 into 1 into 3, which is clearly lesser than 0. Agree? Right? What does this imply? This implies roots are not real. Okay, so that's our conclusion.